Hi, I'm Kewei, singer-songwriter and a first-time homeowner, and I'm on the mission to build my ultimate dream home with a little help from the folks here at Hafary. So stay tuned as I journey into the wonderful world of tiles. We are talking wood culture this week. Hafary is one of Singapore's experts in solid hardwood, engineered timber, vinyl, and laminate flooring. Since setting up wood culture in 2010 as a subsidiary, they've been bringing fine wood products into homes and commercial projects. Today, we're going to be focusing on engineered timber and vinyl flooring. First up, engineered timber. What it is actually a core of plywood that is topped off with a veneer of hardwood surface, which is actually glued to the top of the core. And it is available in almost any hardwood species. So the top hardwood layer is actually the same genuine hardwood that you find in solid hardwood floors. Now that is impressive. And engineered woods are more cost effective than solid hardwoods. You have to come check it out for yourself. So there are more than 40 colors to choose from, and this is just a small sample. Now for vinyl flooring, there are a few things that appeal to me. First of all, they have realistic wood plank designs. Secondly, when I step on them, they feel warm and cozy to the feet. And third and best of all, they are 100% recyclable. Can you believe it? These are water resistant. I think it's time for some serious shopping. Until next time, I'm Kewei and you're watching The Art of Tile. Into the woods! The Art of Tile is brought to you by Hafary, the leading building material supplier since 1980.